Good morning everyone. My name is Varun Gupta, Assistant Professor, KIET Ghaziabad. In this lecture, we will see how to analyze control system when zero order hold is appearing in the control system. So, if we have problem, RS is reference input. This is a sampler having 0.2 second sampling time. This is the transfer function of this block 1 upon S. This is zero order hold. This is another transfer function 1 upon S plus 1, and this is output YS. So first of all, we can see this is an open loop control system. So we don't need ES. So in this control system, we have to find only YS. So what is the value of YS? First of all, RS, here is RS. So now here is R star S. Now R star S is the input of this. Now here is R star S into 1 upon S, because this is output. Output is equal to input into transfer function. Now this is the input of this block. Now this is the output, and what is this? ZOH into R star S into 1 by S. Now this is the input of this block. Okay, so what is the output? What is output is YS is equal to input ZOH into 1 upon S plus 1. Okay, so here we need only output equation. YS. Now sampled value of output is equal to R star S into ZOH into 1 upon S into S plus 1. How we can calculate the transfer function of given system? So here we need the property, if ZOH is multiplied by any function, 1 function, 2 function, 3 function, 1000, lakhs. Okay, so here is the bunch of functions f1, f2, f3 and so on, infinity. So we can represent it into, what is the transfer function of ZOH? We can calculate transfer function of ZOH is represented as 1 minus e की power minus ts upon s into bunch of functions f1, f2, f3 and so on. So it may be represented as 1 minus z inverse. Okay, 1 minus z inverse, because z is equal to e की power ts into bunch of function f1, f2, f3 and so on upon remaining s. So this part is shifted outside the bracket, 1 minus z inverse, and remaining part bunch of function into 1 upon s remains here, and we apply this property in this. So here we can write R star S into 1 minus Z inverse into remaining part. Remaining part is 1 upon S square into S plus 1, because bunch of function is 1 upon S plus 1 and remaining S from this, so S square S plus 1. So we can find the Z transform of this, Z transform of this, and we get the output. How we calculate the output? First of all, we have to find the Z transform of 1 upon s square s plus 1. Z transform of this sequence demands partial fraction a upon s plus b upon s square plus c upon s plus 1. Here we are not calculating the coefficient of partial fraction. So we can write Z transform 1 upon s plus b upon s square plus c upon s plus 1. What is the inverse of this? Inverse Laplace of this? A ut plus b t ut plus c e की power minus t ut. So this is the first step. Second step is put t equal to nt. A unt plus b tnt unt plus c e की power minus nt unt. Now, can we calculate Z transform of this sequence? Yes. Z transform of step signal. Z transform of step signal is Z upon Z minus 1 plus b into t. Z transform of NUN. Z upon Z minus 1 का whole square plus Z transform of this C Z upon Z minus e की power minus t. Z transform of e की power minus nt unt. So y star s, this is y star s. So y star s upon r star s is equal to 1 minus z inverse into a z upon z minus 1 plus bt z upon z minus 1 का whole square plus cz upon z minus e की power minus t. And this is the transfer function of the given control system. And this transfer function is also known as pulse transfer function. Why? Because the given output is in terms of sampled form. So sampled form is nothing but pulse transfer function. If any student can ask, sir, how to calculate yz upon rz? We can calculate yz upon rz by putting z is equal to e की power j omega. Z is equal to e की power j omega. Okay, so we can calculate, and this is it can be represented as in this form j omega. Okay, thank you.